Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create your logo presentable to the client. Okay, so stay with me till end of this video. This video gonna be amazing. Okay, so I hope you have gone through all my last two videos related to this video actually. So if you didn't watch my last video, you can go and check description box down where you can find link of all of my videos. Okay, let's start. What we have actually right now here to start with mockup presentation. So I have created a document in the Photoshop. You can see I'm in the Photoshop. So I'm going to create a presentation in Photoshop itself. So I have created a document with 2000 size. So here's some tab you can see. So these are the mockup I'm going to use. Okay, so when it comes to make your logo presentable, so you have to make sure you have a uh, good and quality mockup with you. So you can download from the internet. There's a if you go and type free mockup for you, so you will have so many website providing free mockup for your logo, maybe other presentation. You can go and utilize them. If you go for vintage mockup, you can type vintage logo mockup, so you can find a ton. You can find tons of logo mockup appear, and you can choose whatever you like. You can go with that. Okay, so what I have to do first? So I need a logo. Of course, I need a logo. So I'm going back to the Illustrator. Okay, so I'm in the Illustrator. So I'm considering this is the main logo. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it. After copy, I'm again switching to Photoshop. Here we go and paste it. So it is asking for you want this logo to be here pixel or smart object. I just want it to be smart object. Click OK. Let's enlarge its size and then enter. So I think I will need one more logo. I think that's gonna be a grayscale, black on white background. Okay, so let's go back. So we'll create whenever we need actually. So this is where I'm going to place it in the center. I'm going to increase the size of the document vertically. I'm going to press C and drag it down to have more room. Enter. Okay, so first I would like to go with the t-shirt. I think first I would like to go with t-shirt. So here you can double click. Here I'm going to place my logo. So I'm going to paste. Actually that is still on the clipboard. I just copied it. So then paste. Smart object. So let's place it somewhere here and save. So okay, it is looking so dull or blur. I think looking blur. Okay, Gaussian blur has been applied over here. Just switch that off. So it is too smaller in size. So make it even more visible. So what we have to do is let's come back here and enlarge its size, and then press Ctrl S to save it back. So so actually I need it to be more bigger. So there's no more space. So I'm gonna increase its size vertically. So I'm going to press C, and then we can increase the canvas size vertical and then enter. So not here, actually already increased the size. I think main logo is here. So here I need to actually I was supposed to increase its size. So what we can do, we can increase directly from here. I think it should be this much bigger. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Now I want this image to be there. So what we have to do is select all these, all the layers. Press Control Shift Alt E command on your keyboard. Now you can see all these layers have been merged into one. Okay, just drag and drop here and play. So I'm going to convert this into smart object. Take it down. I don't need this guy photo. Just want it to be like this. So let's increase its size even more. Okay, like this. So I have taken this mock-up of the T-shirt just because, so that by seeing it, client have the assumption how it gonna be look like when client going to get it printed on T-shirt. So somehow client have the assumption. So it is the great way to present logo to the client. It's going to be even more convincing. Let's see. I'm going to use this one, dot back. So here, let's get rid of this. I'm going to paste logo and make it small. Control S, save. So right now I don't need this. Just I'm going to get rid of this. Okay. Yeah, looking nice. So there's so many tabs, so tabs are getting some confusion. I'm going to increase its size. Control S. Okay. Oh, size has been too much. First of all, I don't need this one actually. This tab, and decrease this size and Control S to save. File size seems like has been too much heavy. So same thing, select all the layers and press Ctrl Alt Shift E to merge and then drag and drop. Okay, so now I don't need this mockup anymore, so let's get rid of this because it will again prevent us to working in flow actually. Let's get rid of this one, set it somewhere. So I'm going to make it like smart object and then we need to make it small, decrease its size and decrease size. Okay, make sure both the images are not preventing each other's visibility. We have to make sure. So I just want this like so. Get rid of this. I don't want this part. So it's a smart object, okay? So I'm going to mask this out. So let's reverse the mask, okay? Let's Control Z. Click here. Select This one, press Control I to invert color. Okay, now increase the size, increase its size one more, and then I think we should add white color. White. Okay, let's see how they're looking right now. Okay, so on the here we can use that round logo. Okay, so double click. I'm going back to the Illustrator to copy that round logo. So this one, copy, and let's go back to Photoshop. And then paste as a smart object. Enter. Control S to save. It is looking nice. Let's increase its size. We have more room actually. It is not. It is not quite into center. So let's. I think we should increase its size even more. Make sure it is in the center actually. Save. Okay, it will work. Now, same here. Control Shift Alt E and take this image, drop it here. Take it down. So now I'm going to utilize business card so that we can also show the logo on business card, and client can have the assumption how it going to be look like when client going to get it printed out on the business card. So let's do it. So change the logo, I think design here, back part and the top part. So let's click. We don't need this. Okay, so let's paste our logo. Which logo actually? We want which logo? So we want which logo? So let's go back to Illustrator. So one side we can have this one. Let's copy both. Let's get back to the Photoshop. Okay, now paste. Okay, both are on the same layer actually. No worries. So Control S. That is going down. Let it go down. No worries. So we have to check how it is looking right now. So let's add background as well. I'm going to have some this kind of color. Less. Okay. Now change logo here. Check the logo. I want this logo right now. And the background color, this one. Take it down. Control S. That's it. So that's great. So select all the layers. Press Control or Shift E to merge, and then let's bring it up to here. Keep it here. So, want to get rid of this. And enlarge more. So don't be afraid to increase the size vertically. Okay, so your client can see image on your mobile, on his mobile, like so. So that's a great idea to combine all the image into single one. It's a great idea. So here I'm going to add black and white version of this logo actually. So let's get back to Illustrator. So I'm going to make its black and white version. So what we have to do is just go inside, press Y key in your keyboard so that you can access the magic wand tool. So here you have to click on, you have to set one. Okay, click here. So if you click with the help of this tool, it's going to grab all those elements having the same color, that is this green on which actually I clicked. So I'm going to check it. I'm going to replace this color with the black one. Okay, so I think, okay, I need to get rid of these. Okay, now in black and white version we don't need any kind of such shade. So select this one, select this shape, this font, make them black. So here we have to turn it to the black, like so. So that's so easy. So instead of having white color, what we can do is select this one and click and trim. Look, let's convert this into shape. Let's perform this task between these two. Now again select this one and click. So this is what I want actually. Copy. Now I'm moving back to the Photoshop, and I'm going to create one more layer where I'm going to have white color and then paste. So we can white color, okay, like so. So in the end we can show client. So client also have the black and white version. So their client. So here a client can see how these stuff gonna look like after getting printing them out. So this is how you can create a presentation of your logo. Should look like this. If we can do one more thing, we can have some gap actually. Let's leave some white gap like so. Select this one. We need to take this up here, and let's add some white element up here like this, and take it up. Click on this one, Control U. Control E. Let's increase brightness contrast as well. So actually these images are looking little dull according to me. That's why I'm increasing brightness contrast so that they could be even more appealing. Let's do the same with this one. Yeah, that's great. So let's make this small so that we can have it. Copy. Let's close the window. Close this window as well. Let's come here and paste. So you can use the cap mockup, and there's a lot of mockup, signboard mockup you can use and find on the Google. You can search on the Google. There's a lot of website which provide free of cost mockup. You can utilize them to make your logo presentable for the client. So presentation is almost ready. I'm quite satisfied. Now let me tell you one more thing. Definitely now it's time to present it to the client. So what format you will require to present to the client? Actually, you can either go for saving JPG, or maybe you can go and save it as a PDF. So better to save it as a PDF and send to the client. That's all for this video. I'm gonna see you in next video with new concept. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe my channel. If you didn't subscribe so far, do let me know what you have learned from my today's video by commenting in the comment box. And don't forget to see more part linked with the same video. I'm gonna see you in the next video very soon. Till then, bye. Stay safe. Thank you.